Hey everybody, for today's Tech Tuesday we're going to be showing you the advantages of having two receivers paired to one sensor, as well as how actually to pair those multiple receivers to your sensor. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so here's the thing about having multiple receivers. Ever find yourself in a situation where you're working in your garage or your man cave, or you're in your bedroom reading and your receiver's downstairs or upstairs and you can't hear it? Here is where it helps to have two receivers paired to your sensors. Two receivers gives you flexibility. It allows you to work in multiple places and never have to worry about not being able to hear your receiver. You can also pair as many receivers to your sensors as you'd like. So you could have one receiver controlling strobe lights. You could have another receiver for your basement. And you could have another receiver for your kitchen so that you always know who's coming up your driveway. It's not a bad deal. So now that we've learned a little bit more about why having multiple receivers is useful, let's go and see Thomas and see how you actually pair two receivers to one sensor. Let's go check it out.
How's it going today? It's Thomas with Guardline Security, and today we're going to be going over adding an additional receiver to your existing Guardline driveway alarm. When adding an extra receiver to an existing Guardline setup, you will follow the same steps that you did when pairing your set initially. Press and hold the Learn button on the side of your extra receiver for 3 seconds or until your Zone 1 LED starts to blink. Now, in most cases, when adding an extra receiver, you'll want to choose the same zone and melody that you did with the first receiver. If you wish to change the melody, you can do that at this point by pressing the melody button to cycle through them. Now, since we're using Zone 1 and the default melody on this receiver, the only step left is to activate our sensor, receive the audio cue that it has been paired with the extra receiver, and press the Learn button to cycle through these zones until none of the lights are blinking and you are out of Learn mode. At this point, if I activate my sensor, I should receive a notification on both of these receivers in Zone 1 with the default melody. Adding an extra receiver to your existing Guardline setup is that simple.
Alright, so hopefully you learned a little bit about multiple receivers. Maybe you had some of your questions answered. This is a really common question that we get from our customers, so I hope this was useful for you. As always, if you have any questions, any concerns, any requests for Tech Tuesday videos, comment below, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching. You guys stay safe out there.